Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hi everybody. So we shall continue our lesson with the next chapter, the next topic, which is loops and files. Previously, you have learned about loops. Now we are going to learn about how we are going to use loop for extracting data from files or writing data in files. So basically, files is one of the medium for input and output, uh, other than user input like being key in through keyboard and so on using cin. Okay, now you can also read from the file and you can also write to the file. So rather than putting out cin or cout, you can just write to the file or read from the file. Okay, so this is how the programmer maintains the data between program runs. So maybe one program read maybe one program produce and output in a text file, and the other program read from that text file. Okay, whenever you are using these files, there are three key things or three key steps that you will always use. First, you need to open the file, and then you will use the file, whether you want to read from it or you want to write on it, or you want to do both. Okay, and then you have to close the file. Okay, in order to do this, you need to use a new library called fstream. So you in your code you should have the fstream include fstream here. Okay, and then there are different file stream types. If you are only reading from a file, you can use if stream. If you are only writing to a file, you can use off stream. Okay, sorry, it's off stream. And if you are doing both reading and writing, you just use f stream. Okay, let's begin. I will show you how to use uh, how to use a file. But before you use a file, you need to have that file first. Okay, if you are reading from file, it's very crucial that the file already exists in your machine. Okay, in this case, right, I have my try.txt here. Okay, that have this is my the input inside my file. Hello, good morning people. Alright, and I stored it in data desktop program layer 1. Okay, so my program, okay, my my dev C++ program is in data desktop, on my desktop. So I have the text file in a folder called program, and inside another folder called layer, inside a subfolder called layer. So let's try to use okay, let's try to access the file. So I just put in file. Okay, sorry, if stream in file. So my file would be in this in file. So if stream in file. Sorry. So now I want to access. Okay, I want to open the file. Yes. So in file dot open, and then my file name. Okay, let's just put try.txt for the moment. Right, and then right, so and this in file name can include the drive path info and so on. Okay, and then if you want to read the object inside the file, you can use if this is what we normally do, we'll have this checking whether we have the file on our machine or not. If there is no in file with such name, out file, failure, open failure. Sorry. Okay, so I'll do the else part. Else, make sure you have the curly braces because you need to write a lot of things inside the else part later. Okay, file open successfully, and just put a slash in here. Right. Okay, now we are ready to compile this program. Can see it cannot open the file. Okay, failure because we didn't specify the drive path. So if you want to put try.txt only, make sure that your text file and your program, your source code is in the same folder. So in my case here, my program and my source code is on a different folder. So I'll just use the drive path. Sorry. Okay. File. Program layer 1. Sorry. Layer 1. File open successfully. Because the file is actually you can see here, desktop program layer 1. So in then this file. So if I want to just use, okay, I'll just put this file on this desktop. There is there, and if I use this, that won't give me error. Open file open failure. But now I just delete this. File open successfully, because now my try.cpp and try.txt is in the same folder, which is desktop. Okay, but I don't want my try.txt to be here. I want it to be here, this here. So I just want to delete this. So now it's successfully. That's opening files. Okay. So now when you want to use a file to read, please make sure the file is already existed in your machine and there's a content inside it when you want to read anything. Okay. Alright, so let's try to read from the file. Okay. So when you want to read from a file, you have to have a variable first to store what you are reading. So in this case, we are dealing with words. So we'll just declare string word. Okay, my variable name is word. So I'll read the file. Now I'm going to read the file. So how do you read the file? In file, this stream extraction operator, this double bigger than here, is actually extracting the data, and it returns true if there is it managed to extract the data. It will return false if it failed. Okay, read. Okay, so in file what? So how do you want to know whether you have extracted? We'll just see out. Okay, and now you run and compile and run. So file open successfully. Hello. So it will take out only the first line. Right. What? How do you want to extract the whole 4 lines? You will need to use your while loop. So this is how you use your while loop. While while. So changes in bracket, and then just in case you have lots more to do after this. Output. So let's see what's the output here. Okay, now hello, good morning people. You have actually printed all the content of this file. So that's using the loop to process file, and every time you use, you should be closing. So in file dot close. Okay, forget this. So if you didn't close these files, if you open too much file, you will limit the number of files that you are opening. Okay, and it can also buffer your data. So better to make sure that every time you open, you close the file. You close the file right after you have finished using it. Okay, if you are still using it, then just let it open. Don't do open close. No, you use open, and at the end there you close. But if you finish earlier, you close earlier. Okay, finish using it. Alright, so basically this is your program. Okay, one program of reading a file, reading an input from a file. So let's do something on writing in a bit.